There's a competition on YouTube at the moment between some of the higher YouTubers to see who can make a brand new channel with no subscribers and get to 1 million first. Yeah, it's become a bit of a cliquey thing to do at the moment. Now, in reality, that's not something I'm going to be able to do, and it's probably something in reality that you're not going to be able to do. But here's something that I did which changed everything for me. First of all, you need to know that I've been on YouTube for 13 years producing content. I've always thought I produced really good content, well edited, well timed, correct length of videos, and appropriate for the individual to watch at their own leisure, whether it be a young person or an old person or those in between. A lot of thought went into my videos. But to get 26,000 followers after 13 years, I really wasn't getting very far, and I was only earning about £35 per month, if I was lucky. But that all changed in October. In October, I came across something which I'd heard about before, in fact, many years ago, and I'd ignored it as a hype, as a monthly subscription which really wasn't worth or justifiable paying out every month. However, in October, I did, because you can cancel it at any time. Well, actually, I paid for it in September and I used it in October, and I've been using it ever since. What happened to me was quite remarkable. To cut a long story short, and I'm going to give you some graphics here, I went to 44,000 subscribers in 5 weeks. From 26 to 44, 18,000 subscribers. And one video that I used this software with had 11.9 million views. And now that one video has paid for my subscription to this piece of software for 10 years. So there's no way I'm going to delete it now. I'm going to carry on using it. What is it? It's TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy. You can see the link to that in my profile, video description. TubeBuddy is free to download. Try it. If you like it, you can buy various levels of subscriptions. I've got the Legend version, and there are some higher than that. And that is what did it for me. One, it's time saving. I can change anything on the video or videos or all my videos with a couple of clicks. You can update titles, descriptions, keyword tags. You can play around with different features like different thumbnails. Did this work better than that one? And that's what I did using this with my one video at the beginning of October, which got me 11.9 million views and 18,000 new subscribers. Now, if you think, like I thought a few years ago, I probably couldn't afford to subscribe to that because there is a monthly thing involved or an annual one, which is a bit cheaper, although the download is free so you can try it out, then you'll probably do what I did. And I missed this opportunity years ago to try it then. However, maybe the timing is better now because I'm more knowledgeable, got more experience of YouTube, and I know the things now that I should be trying and testing and placing A against B to see which one works best. And this does everything for you. At least look at it. Don't ignore it. Try the free version. If it's not right for you, simply delete it. I'll put a link, as I said, in this video description. But do leave a comment and tell me if you've downloaded it, and then another one later to tell me how it's working for you and your overall impression of it. See you later.